Hey, it's Gina with WTI. I absolutely love sitting outside in our Adirondack chairs, and something that's making it even more enjoyable is having cushions from JCA. So, of course, immediately you're going to notice that these are the same shape as an Adirondack chair. And I think that's one of the reasons that they are really set apart from other cushions that you can get for these types of chairs. I love that I can use them not just with our regular size Adirondack chair, but also with our large size. You can see that the cushion is ample enough to extend to the top of our taller one, and it definitely fits the seat and the back. And beyond that, it is so comfortable. The cushion itself is about an inch in density, and it's so comfy. I absolutely love sitting in it. I got the color beige morning. It matches both of our navy blue Adirondack chairs. And I just love this fabric is fade resistant and water resistant and cleans up really quickly and dries quickly. These also come with Velcro straps to attach around the back and the bottom of the chair so that you can make sure it's not slipping and sliding around when you go to sit on it. These are such good quality cushions. They're so soft and comfy and they fit the chair perfectly. So I think that they're very aesthetically pleasing. We're definitely happy with them and we think you will be too. And that's our point of view.